Essential aspects of API monitoring. API monitoring is essential for ensuring performance and reliability. Let's dive into its core aspects. Availability monitoring checks if the API is up and responding effectively. Status codes matter. Tracking responses ensures you're alerted to issues quickly. Latency monitoring measures response times to ensure efficient API performance. Use application performance monitoring tools to track these metrics effectively. Functional correctness ensures the API returns expected results consistently. Conduct synthetic tests to validate outputs against expected standards. Implement regression test suites for critical API endpoints to maintain reliability. Error rates give insights into API failures and their causes, helping to improve stability. Track HTTP status codes like 4xx and 5xx to understand where issues occur. Monitoring trends helps detect degradations early, preventing bigger issues. Security monitoring identifies unexpected access patterns and potential threats. Look out for token misuse, expired certificates, and suspicious IP activity. Ensure TLS, rate limiting, and authentication are functioning effectively. Traffic and usage analytics help monitor request volumes and detect unusual patterns. Watch for spikes or drops to optimize capacity planning and detect potential abuse. Dependency monitoring tracks downstream services vital to your API's performance. Identify bottlenecks and cascading failures to maintain API health effectively. Synthetic monitoring helps simulate conditions to ensure APIs perform as expected. Real user monitoring observes behavior from actual users, offering valuable insights. Set up alerting and dashboarding to keep track of API performance at all times. Establish SLAs and SLOs for critical endpoints to set performance expectations. Testing APIs from various geolocations helps ensure global reliability. Utilize tagging for different environments, dev, stage, prod, to streamline insights. Monitor both internal and public APIs for comprehensive performance oversight. Integrate alerts into incident management workflows for faster resolutions. Robust API monitoring leads to successful deployments and happy teams. Ensure every core aspect of API monitoring is covered for optimal functionality. Implementing best practices elevates your API monitoring strategy significantly. Continuous feedback loops help refine and improve your monitoring processes. Stay proactive in API monitoring to ensure long-term success and reliability. Remember the core aspects: availability, performance, correctness, error rates, security, analytics, and dependencies. Subscribe for more insights on API monitoring and best practices.